Why don't you just let go and quiet down your ego? Don't complain about finance. I know your daddy wasn't a real man. Go ahead and live your dreams. To me, you're stronger than a whole team.
Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to an episode of JVLOGS, and to thank you guys for tuning into the channel. I just thought that I had some camera problem, but it is definitely okay. I just had the wrong setting on the camera. I feel so much better. Oh God! But anyway, ladies, look at your fresh boy. Hey, get your beard. Get your haircut. Hey, looking like somebody's child again. I need to behave myself, you know, looking handsome, fresh cut in the cut. Don't know. So thanks for tuning into JVLOGS again. The name is Plunkett. I want to say thanks to each and everybody that is here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I can't say the channel is growing, and I really appreciate it. So say every week you guys getting a video. At the end of the month, I think in April, you're going to get a surprise video of a project coming up that I'm looking forward to, that I'm working on. And yeah, you won't only see my face in the project, you'll see other people in the project, so look out for that. And I just want to say thanks to everybody again. I'm really excited about it. Now, this video is very interesting to me. Could you survive in a future without social media? Think about that for a second. Could you survive in a future without social media? As we know, social media has, taken over our lives, literally. Social media is everything to some people. Social media, is a business. Social media is an investment right now. Social media is everything that you can think of. It's comedy. It's an avenue for people to de-stress, for people to follow their friends and family and celebrities, to basically get news, to anything at all. It's like it's a Wikipedia for the internet, or the social. You guys know what I'm trying to say. It's different. It's social media. It's media consumption. But it's in a social form where you can socialize, leave comments, where you can talk. Traditional media on your TV, you cannot comment on the media on the TV. Say you're watching a video or a home improvement video. A lot of times this happened to me. I'm watching the video and I want to comment on it while I'm watching it on TV, like it's on social media. So social media is different in a sense where it allows you to interact with people. It allows you to interact with the person that's producing the video, like myself. I can interact with you. I can comment live. I can, give answers and feedback compared to watching it on a TV. There's no way to comment. There's no way to have your input. So social media give us the power to basically communicate with the person on the screen or persons on the screen. So there's a little advantage where that is concerned. Now, social media has controlled us. Social media has ruined relationships. Social media has ruined people's life, and we have to take that into consideration when dealing with people, or take it into consideration within this topic. So, what if social media went away? What if the internet went down? What would we do? How would we react? For me personally, I think a lot of people would go crazy. A lot of people would be jobless, like the Instagram models would go jobless. A lot of it, I think, would change how we look at life and how we enjoy life, or how we connect with people, because the internet allows us to connect with people from all over the world, and that is vital, that is important. Sharing of information, bringing awareness to certain topics like racism, terrorist attacks, to whether it be parties, whether it be some events taking place all over the world. It bring people closer together by transferring information at a rapid rate instantly. And without that, I think we'll go back into time per se. I think the human connection would improve, because we'll then go outside more, I guess, and talk to people more, interact with people more face to face. Social media kind of take that away in a sense, because a lot of people are scared now to even interact or talk with somebody face to face. A lot of people fake it. A lot of people, what I would say, you know, pretend to be somebody they're not. So there's a lot of pros and cons where social media is concerned. But I think all in all we would survive without it because we have before. But I think the whole adjustment from social media to just regular life, I think it would be a bit boring in a sense where we now consume so much more information, so much more than we used to. Like when I was growing up, I remember those days without social media. It was fun because I had my friends and I still have those friends now, but I think social media help to enhance our social interaction in a sense. It enhance, you know, a lot of stuff in our lives. So there's pros and cons, but I think it will go back to just, you know, people just traveling around, visiting their family and friend, you know, just talking face to face. Those memories that they would capture would basically be printed, you know. It would be like, oh, I take a picture, I don't have social media to post on, but I'll print it and put it in my house. You know, those albums that they have where your parents used to take picture and they frame it and they have it, so when you come over to the family house or come over to grandma, mommy house, you'll have those pictures. So I believe that it would go back to that. It would be, you know, things that we see in you know, from history, you know, that kind of old team where, okay, no more social media, you know, no more Instagram, no more Facebook, you know. So it'd be, it's stressing me out thinking about it, honestly. But yeah, I think social media has a lot more pros and cons. I think it's the future. I think it's where we ought to be. But I think we would still survive because that's the main topic. Could we survive without social media? I think we could survive without it. However, I think social media do have its advantages more than its disadvantages in terms of revenues, in terms of advertisement, in terms of making money on a whole, in terms of showcasing people talent across the world, allowing access to more information on a rapid pace, sharing, you know, stuff. Say I love food and I want people to learn how to cook. Social media now allows me to do that at a lower cost compared to like traditional media where, you know, late night they'll have those food cooking shows on. You know, social media allows everybody to take part in these things or showcase their talent. So there's a lot more pros now than cons where that is concerned. But I think we would survive still, but I think it would be boring. In a sense, that's my take of it. I think it would be boring. I think it would definitely be boring. I think social media now has enhanced how we interact and just how we, you know, do things nowadays. But yeah, that's just my take on it. I know it's jumbled and it's all over the place and stuff, but I just want to get this video out there for you guys. In the comment below, tell me, what do you think? Do you think you could survive without social media? Do you agree with some of the points that I made in the video about, you know, the social media just being not there and, you know, going back to the old days and just being like blah? You know, do we agree with that? If not, you know, leave your comments down there in the comment section. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe and share for more. That notification bell, ensure that you hit that notification bell so you can get the videos as they drop. Thank you guys for watching JVLOGS. I really appreciate it. It means a whole lot to me. So I just want to say thank you again and look out for the upcoming project that I have. When it's near to completion, I will post it so you guys can get to see it and enjoy it. So with no further ado, I will be ending this video right now. So thank you again for watching JVLOGS. And I don't know where this voice came from, but it's so funny. Alright guys, anyway, I'm gone. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. I wish you guys all the best. Have a successful day, successful week. Thanks for watching JVLOGS again. Plunkett, I'm out. Thank you.